Car insurance for women is not only available and easy to find, often it is even less expensive than it is for men. Is this because there is sexism in the industry? If you answered yes, then you are right. Whatever you want to call it, this attitude about women drivers is based on facts and is reflected in the lower cost. It's a fact that women have fewer accidents than men. More women wear their seatbelts and are much more likely to obey the traffic laws. Even though the insurance providers are charging less to insure women drivers, they make more money because they are paying out much less in damages than they do for their male customers. Just how do we go about finding the best deals on car insurance for women? Here are 8 helpful hints to assist the savvy female driver in selecting the ideal coverage at the best price. 1. Know what it is you are buying. Physical damage done to your own car is covered by comprehensive and collision. It is liability that covers you if there is property damage or injury to passengers, pedestrians or you, the driver. If something should happen to you while driving that is not considered an accident, but does serious damage to your car, that's when you need comprehensive. It covers you for all the crazy unexpected things that can happen, such as running into a deer on the highway, or running into a tree that has fallen across your path. Vandalism, car theft and weather-related damage is also included in this option. Carrying liability is required by law, but you are not forced to carry insurance that would cover your own car or medical bills that resulted in an accident. Many people only carry the minimum amount of coverage required just to be able to drive legally. However, if you are still paying on the car, you are required to have the comprehensive and collision. New cars are much more expensive to insure than used. I can't think of many better reasons to consider buying a pre-owned vehicle because there is such a difference in the cost. Not only is it going to be less out of pocket to replace a used car, but repairs are less expensive too. Buying new versus used is a personal choice and it is getting away from the topic at hand. 2. Ask about the discounts. Common discounts offered by most of the companies competing for your business include but are not limited to: multiple car discount, good driving record, your age, over 21 plus, multiple policies with one company, that is home and auto, senior driver, students with good grades, non-smoker. You are driving a vehicle with more than average safety features. While you're negotiating with the carrier you are thinking of choosing for your car insurance for women, pointing out that you should qualify for one or more of these options is a great way to whittle down the first price you were quoted. They are not obligated to tell you about these discounts, so if nothing has been said in the sales pitch, then you need to show your smarts and start requesting them. Your situation is always changing and those changes can result in discounts you didn't qualify for before, but you are qualified for them now. Reviewing your policy on an annual basis is a good idea, and it may even result in changing your insurance carrier to one who understands that car insurance for women is a highly appreciated and sought after. 3. Raise your deductibles. By shouldering more of the financial responsibility for possible damages, you are raising the deductible and significantly lowering your premium. If you have a great driving record and haven't been involved in any accidents for a long time, you are probably a good candidate for this. 4. Loyalty is overrated and expensive. It's natural for drivers to develop an attachment to an agent that they have been with for a while. It is easy to assume the agent has their best financial interest first and foremost on their mind when renewing their policy, when this is rarely the case. Shop your needs around and bring that new information back to the table when renewal time rolls around. That is a nice way to keep everybody honest. Companies are definitely in competition in the campaign to sell car insurance for women, so let them make you an offer you can't refuse. 5. Do the math. Confirm your mileage. When your provider asks how many miles you travel to and from work, don't just guess. Check it out, do the math and give your agent a true figure. You may just qualify for another little no discount. 6. Plan your payments. The majority of drivers have to make monthly payments on their policy because the amount due on a semi-annual or quarterly bill can be high and hard to pay all at once, but by making monthly payments, you are incurring a surcharge of $3 to $5 a month. 7. Electronic payment. Like many other businesses, insurance companies appreciate the automatic payment system. The guarantee that they will have your payment in their accounts exactly when they expect is worth another discount to many carriers. 8. Maintain your good credit. There have been studies done that show that the people who have the high credit scores also are better drivers who have fewer accidents and file less claims. People who are responsible with their finances tend to act responsibly on the road, too. If you think that any of the discounts I just told you about might apply to you, then before you pay another insurance premium it's time to go shopping. Go online, find sites that sell car insurance for women, just like you are doing now, and apply for their free quotes. This type of comparison shopping saves time and eliminates having to put up with the high-pressure sales technique insurance agents are famous for. Everything that is available from your local representative is available through the same company online. If you're concerned that your claims won't be given the same priority with an internet insurance company because you are just a number not a name, that's just a myth. When you call your agent after an accident, they don't really come and hold your hand through the process like they do on TV, they just refer you onto the number of their claims department. By applying the information and technique I've described, you will be able to search for and purchase affordable car insurance for women with confidence. Request and study quotes from several companies. Confirm that you are being quoted the cost of the same coverage, with the same deductibles for the price quoted. Ask for any and all possible discounts, and present our newfound lower-priced insurance package to your old familiar agent and let them present you their best offer. If they can't complete, then it's time to make a change, and feel good about it. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.